In progress.
Hey, in this video today, I'm going to show you how you can animate images in Gemini and slash VO3. Okay, we're going to see how you can really animate some stuff using Gemini. Now, Gemini, I have two versions. I have like the free version, okay, on another browser that is on my Mozilla, and have the premium version. So you're going to really see the difference. Now, if you have an image, let me say, okay, let me say this is my image. Let me do, let me see, that is my image. I think I saved it somewhere on Slaughterhouse. Okay, so this is the image that I want to animate, and it's part of an animation that I'm trying to plan, that I'm planning. About this goat in a slaughterhouse that escapes and all that stuff. Okay, without boring you, let's go ahead. So Gemini, you access it via gemini.google. Okay, and to animate an image, all you have to do is, let's try out. You can try to click on plus here,